A lot of people have been asking me on social media, they say, okay, well, if I get this vaccine, does it mean that I'm not going to get sick? Does this mean I can't spread it? Does this mean I don't have to wear my mask?
Just like the flu vaccine, the regular flu vaccine, you can still be exposed.
Right.
It's not a magic force field. So all these measures we're having have kept us healthy from the things that we normally get sick from. And that means something to me. It means that those are effective measures for protecting a population against population transmitted illnesses.
It does not matter what age you are, really. If you are an adult, you have a chance of having severe COVID-19. And so I would say get the vaccine for that reason, but continue to mask and watch your distance and wash your hands. Obviously, there are a number of other bugs out there that we are still susceptible to, and a lot of people who have yet to be vaccinated. So I think we've got a ways to go.
I love that you brought that up because I get sick every year, sometimes twice a year. I am good for that every single year. I have not been sick this year. And, I love how you're sort of bringing the mask wearing and all these measures. It's not just COVID. Look at the other ways that it's benefiting our body, especially for those who may not be interested in wearing masks for COVID. Maybe wear masks to prevent yourself from getting the flu. I don't know. Maybe that's something that people can get behind if they can't get behind COVID.